Once you click one of the graphs or the graph button at the top bar, you'll get to this page, which lets you visualize the data in a couple of different ways. You can look at regulations by title or by industry. Let's take a look at title. Each title is a section of the Code of Federal Regulations that covers a broad subject area. For example, scroll down here, Title 7 covers agriculture and Title 10 covers energy. Let's go down to one that probably most people are familiar with, at least in some way, internal revenue. This is where the IRS publishes its regulations. So once we click on that, a graph appears that shows us the number of restrictions that are published in that title each year. Starting in 97, there were about 55,596 restrictions, growing to 63,243 by the year 2010. And if you go to the left, you can add on other titles restrictions by year as well onto the same graph. For example, we'll click labor, and now labor has appeared here as well. Labor has 49,509 in the year 2010. You can also look at the total of all titles over time. So doing that produces this line at the top here, starting with 834,649 restrictions. Restrictions in regulation have grown to just over 1 million by the year 2010. Now we still have internal revenue and labor down here at the bottom. It's just been rescaled to accommodate for the huge size of the aggregate number of restrictions.